class. Today I am going to tell you about finite and non-finite verb. Finite and non-finite verb. So what's the meaning of finite? What's the meaning of finite? Finite means limited, restricted. Limited, restricted. Finite means limited, restricted, and non-finite means no limit. Non-finite, no restriction or limitation. Or limitation. So what's the meaning of limited, restricted, no restrictions or limitation? It's mean finite verb are those verbs with proper subject, verb, object. In finite sentence you will find subject, verb, object. It's called finite. It means these finite verb has to use. Finite verb has to use in sentence subject, verb, object. In finite verb you will see subject, verb, object. In non-finite verb there is no restriction or limitation. In finite verb we will use proper tenses, proper form of verb and tenses, subject, verb, object, and also according to grammar rule in sentences we will see present tense, past tense, and many kinds of verb. Proper tenses is used in finite verb. If I will say he goes to school, so this is present indefinite tense. He goes to school, so this is finite verb. This is finite sentence. This is finite sentence. Okay, and what's the non-finite sentence? If I will say he has to go. So this is called non-finite verb. Okay, now I am going to tell you more examples of finite verb and non-finite verb. Okay, now I am going to tell you. In finite verb you will see first form of verb, second form of verb, have plus verb third form, be plus ing, verb plus s or es. Proper tenses is used in finite verb. So in non-finite verbs there will be no tenses. If I will say she likes dancing, he likes playing, he likes playing. So this is called non-finite verb. Okay, so non-finite verb, infinitive, participles and gerund is also included in non-finite verb. Participle, participle, gerund, and infinitives. Infinitives, infinitive. So these are included in non-finite verb. Okay, so these are included in non-finite verb. Okay, I hope you understand what's the meaning of finite and non-finite verb. You know, finite verb is limited, restricted. Finite verb have to follow the rule and regulations of tenses in sentence, and non-finite verbs no rules and regulations in tenses, you know. And finite, non-finite word also included participle, gerund, infinitive is also called non-finite verbs, because in gerund and participle and infinitives there no uses of tenses. Okay, so I hope you understand what's the definitions of finite and non-finite verb. If you have any confusion, then you can ask questions and you will write comments. Okay, and in my next next I'm going to tell you about infinitives. So what's the uses of infinitives? Then I will tell you about inshallah gerund and participle. One by one we will cover all three topics, infinitive, gerund and participle, and then I will tell you about regular verb, irregular verbs. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about infinitive.